How do we prevent duplicates?
We use a two-step process to prevent duplicates. The first step is during the data load. In some cases, we get exactly the same files with different file names. If the file content is exactly the same as the content of the file we've loaded before, we don't load the new file to the database at all. The second step, we only flag the most recent remit based on our ETL logic. This ensures that metrics such as total charges, total payments, and total adjustments are not duplicated. By default, all reports are pre-filtered to only show the most recent remits. But if the user wants to see all remits, they can just remove the filter and drill into them.
Can we account for partial denials?
Yes. During our ETL process, we create a flag that compares the 835 to the 837 to determine if the entire billed amount was denied, a full denial, or if only a portion of the billed amount was denied, a partial denial.
Compare claim level and line level denials. How does that help avoid duplicates?
When we're parsing the 835 data, it's easy to see if a remit has a claim header denial or a line item denial. To differentiate between these two, we create an attribute called adjustment level. This is determined by evaluating which part of the 835 has the claim adjustment segment, CAS. It could be either the claim header, CLP, or service line, SVC. So we separate these two, and that lets the user understand the different types of denials.
Can you apply the contractual discount rate at an insurance level or insurance code level? Can this be used to show the net denied amount?
Yes, we can, if we're supplied with the factors to use and the mapping back to the 835 data. Note, 835 data does not have insurance codes as used in the client host system. A derived field will be calculated to show the net denied amount, which would result from taking the denied amount, gross, and multiplying it by the reimbursement rate.
What kind of analysis can we show for linked 835 and 837 data? What is the benefit of joining 835, 837, and account data?
During the ETL process, we create a flag to show if we have a join between the 835 and 837. It shows if we have an 835 without an 837, an 837 without an 835, or if there's a match between the two. We also create a flag to show if there's a join to our Revenue Management Analytics. The benefit of joining to that data is that we can add a lot more attributes to the claim and remit data that aren't contained in the 837 or 835 file. This lets you see the whole picture of an encounter with all payer data consolidated.
How do you determine denial owner and denial root cause owner?
VisiQuate maintains a comprehensive rules engine that assigns many attributes to claim adjustment reason codes and remittance advice remark codes, CARCs and RARCs. These let the user analyze what business area caused the denial, what area owns the denial for workflow purposes, and much more.
What is the VisiQuate Opportunity Score?
The Opportunity Score is a major advantage of the VisiQuate solution. Based on the reason code of each denial, we calculate the relative probability of successful overturn and balance that percentage against the weighted dollar value of each claim. The result? An opportunity score for each claim that shows which appeals have the maximum impact, so your team can focus on the most valuable ones. Opportunity score is based on our experience with clients over the years and reviewed and maintained by in-house subject matter experts. Additionally, VisiQuate will perform an annual audit on a client's data to compute the client's actual success in working denials and adjust the opportunity score based on the client's actual experience.